Hello everyone, this is Ritrovato Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Line Messenger to your HTC ChaCha or any other HTC phone. You have to unlock, you have to hit at menu. At menu, you have to find one app. It's called Google Play, Play Store, Android Market. Hit this one. Okay. Here you have three options: apps, games and books. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please check my video how you can do that. Hit at apps. At apps you have so many options: home, top, page, top free. Hit at top free. You have to drag a bit. Here as you see Line Messenger, hit this one. Or here you have searching option, tap this one and type the name of application you want to download. After that, hit that one. Here you have one option of install. Hit this one. Accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's only 8.54 megabyte. We have to wait a bit. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not going to open from here. I will hit home button or show you exact location of this soft. I will hit menu and I will drag. Here as you see Line Messenger, hit this one. If you're a new user, hit new user and make account. And if you already have account, just hit Line user login. Put your email address and password. This is all, and you can connect also by your Facebook account. Okay, this is all my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the IS Communication, www.iscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.